Samsung just dropped the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and let me tell you, it's more than just a pretty upgrade. From design tweaks to smarter health tracking, Samsung has packed in quite a bit this time. So if you're thinking about upgrading or buying your first Galaxy Watch, stay tuned, because I've tested it thoroughly, and I've got all the answers you need. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the Watch 8 doesn't look radically different from the Watch 6, but the changes are subtle and meaningful. The bezels are slightly thinner, giving you more screen real estate without increasing the overall size. The display is brighter this year, with peak brightness now hitting up to 3000 nits, making it super readable in direct sunlight. It also feels incredibly smooth thanks to the 60Hz refresh rate, and that's something you really notice when swiping through tiles or notifications. Now onto the build. The Galaxy Watch 8 is available in both aluminum and stainless steel finishes, depending on which variant you choose. Both look and feel premium, and Samsung has finally improved the durability by upgrading the glass to sapphire crystal across all models, not just the Pro. That's a big win for everyday wear and tear. As for performance, Samsung's using the new Exynos W1000 chip, and it's a noticeable improvement. The watch feels faster, apps launch quicker, and there's zero lag when switching between tasks. Paired with One UI Watch 6 based on Wear OS 5, everything just works better. Battery optimization is smarter, animations are cleaner, and even third-party app support is stronger this time. Battery life was a mixed bag for previous Galaxy watches, but with the Watch 8, things are better. The standard model gives you about 36 to 40 hours on a single charge, while the classic version, thanks to its slightly larger battery, can push closer to 48 hours with moderate use. And the fast charging is no joke. You can get nearly 45% in just 30 minutes, which is a lifesaver if you're in a rush. Let's talk about health tracking. This is where Samsung has really stepped up. The new multi-sensor bioactive module now includes a skin temperature sensor with real-time tracking. It's more accurate and helps in advanced sleep tracking, menstrual cycle prediction, and stress monitoring. There's also a new heart rate zone coaching feature that gives you personalized running feedback, ideal for anyone serious about fitness. Samsung has also included FDA-approved ECG, blood pressure monitoring where supported, and advanced body composition analysis. And for those into mindfulness, the updated stress tracking tools now come with guided breathing sessions built directly into the system. Another big update, the Galaxy Watch 8 finally supports satellite-based emergency SOS in select regions. So if you're out hiking or biking and something goes wrong, the watch can ping your location even if you're off the grid. That's a major peace of mind feature and puts it up there with what Apple is offering in terms of safety. Customization has also taken a step forward. There are new watch faces, more flexible widgets, and Samsung has expanded the band's lineup with quick release options. You can go sporty, professional, or minimalist in seconds. Pricing starts around $399 for the base model, and while that might sound steep, you're getting a lot of smartwatch for the price, especially if you're already in the Samsung ecosystem. It works best with Samsung phones, unlocking features like camera control, smart replies, and seamless app syncing. So, should you upgrade? If you're coming from the Galaxy Watch 5 or earlier, this is a solid leap forward in every category: speed, battery, health tracking, and even durability. If you already have the Watch 6, the upgrades might not be huge, but if you value faster performance and better health insights, it could still be worth it. That's my full take on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 series. Sleek, smart, and finally polished in all the right places. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you planning to buy one, or waiting for something else? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.